Hey everyone, okay, so I'm selling my Channel Island Fever model. This is a 510, 18, 3, 4, and 2, 5, 16, 26.7 liters. This is a great board, especially when the waves are a bit bigger, probably head high to, I don't know, 3 meters, whatever you serve. Like, so the waves need to be a little bit punchy. However, if you push the board in smaller waves, like, I don't know, chest high, the board is gonna go, but it does need for you to work on it. And once you generate speed, the board just flies, and it's great to surf in the pocket, super responsive, because of the tail is so, like thin. It just, like, for turns is amazing, and to, like I said, to surf it in the pocket is just great. I get all my boards in Future and Team Live just because I feel like the flex of the board is really good once you're doing a bottom turn or just doing hacks on the wave. There's no repairs, no things. I take really good care of my boards. Buy all my boards from Onboard Store in Byron Bay, so you can give them a buzz if you want or whatever. Like I said, I take good care of my boards. I buy boards very often because I like to have new equipment, so that helps my surf, and just to try new boards. I've been riding with Channel Islands for a while now, so yeah, whenever you want to score really a Channel Island in really good condition, you can follow me on Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I'm in Coolangatta, and you can come and check this board and other boards that I have for sale.